Assalamu alaikum KG2 class. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is subtraction. KG2 class. First of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first question is 3 minus 1. Let us count how many footballs are there. 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 footballs. Let us subtract 1 from 3 footballs like this. How many footballs are left? Let us count. 1, 2. There are 2 footballs which are left. Now we will write the number 2 in the empty box like this. Okay students, come to the next question. 6 minus 3. Students, count with me. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 apples. Let us subtract 3 from 6 apples like this. How many apples are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples which are left. So we will write the number 3 in the empty box like this. Come to the third question. 5 minus 2. Let us count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 flowers. Let us subtract 2 from 5 flowers like this. How many flowers are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers which are left. Now we will write the number 3 in the empty box like this. Come to the next question. 4 minus 2. Let us count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 stars. Let us subtract 2 from 4 stars like this. How many stars are left? Let us count. 1, 2. There are 2 stars which are left. So we will write the number 2 in the empty box like this. Come to the last question. 10 minus 3. Let us count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 pencils. Let us subtract 3 from 10 pencils like this. How many pencils are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencils are left. Now we will write the number 7 in the empty box like this.